In this video, I'll be teaching you guys three best ways to make money with other people's video on Facebook, right? But actually, this particular one is the continuation of the part one. In case you've not watched the part one, for you to understand what led us to this place that we are right now, you need to use the link in the description to watch the part one, right? You need to watch the part one. Make sure that you go and watch the part one, then come back and watch this particular one for you to be able to understand. Why we split the video into two is that the video was getting too long. So basically, in part one, I already shared two methods. So in this particular video, I'll be sharing the third way to make money using other people's video. So you need to go back and watch the part one if you not watch the part one. But if you watch the part one, I'll be taking you to the other side of the screen where I'll be sharing the third method. But before we get to the other side of the screen, I would like you to do something. Hit the like button as usual and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comments. So see you guys on the other side of the screen. So guys, you're welcome to this side of the screen. This is the third method that we are going to be learning in this particular episode, right? So in this particular one, we are going to be editing like Batman, right? So it's very simple. All you need to do is to come to InShot. So when you come to InShot, one thing that Batman does is that he record himself first, then before reacting. Batman actually react to several videos and understand. So but I'm going to be using one video in this video. So and if you want to use multiple video, it's still the same way that he import this particular one that you're going to be importing other ones, right? So I'm just going to be using like split to split, then teach you guys how he does this. So you just need to come to video. So when you come to video, you click on new. Understand? Once you click on new, then you come and import your video, which is this. Another thing you need to do is to come to canvas right here, tap on canvas and put it on 4.5, right? When you put it on 4.5, then you come to zoom, then zoom it in. So to zoom it in, then the next thing you need to do is to come first and check where you started reacting before you now position it, because so that you get to understand what you're doing. So here is where I started looking at the other video. So I don't need to come and click on split right here, then delete off the beginning, right? Then go back to canvas. When I go back to canvas, then I need to position this video like this, left like this, right? So because I'm going to be putting another video right at the left side, right? So then the next thing you need to do is that you need to come to PIP. You can see PIP right here. Tap on PIP, then here is the video we are reacting on. Import it, right? Once you import it, then you zoom it in, then position it on the other side, right? And position it on the other side like this. I think it's okay like this, right? So this myself is not really fully okay. So what I need to do, come back to canvas, then zoom myself in, then take myself up a little bit, right, so that it will look nice. Then this their own, I can come back to PIP as well, then try to take it a little bit by like this, so that two of them will balance well and be able to be in this position. So you see that the difference between the way Bismarck edit and the way Batman edit is that Batman actually split the screen, you understand, while Bismarck don't split the screen. He show himself and bring it back to the reaction, the video he's reacting, and take it back to himself again. But this one is different. He split the screen into two, right? So that's it. So what he does is that he will just keep looking at the video. I need to reduce the volume of these two videos so that it won't distract what I'm teaching you guys. So I reduce my own, then go to PIP, I reduce their own as well. Understand? So what he does is that once this video is playing, he's looking at it and reacting. You understand? You can see I'm reacting. I might not be perfect, right? Yeah, I might not be perfect, but I'm just trying. So this side that he will look at the screen, you see I'm looking at the screen. This side that he will look at the screen, what he does right here is that he zooms in his face in the screen, right? How does he do it? You just need to, this PIP video I imported, you just need to come and split it, then move it a little bit back, you understand? Just make sure that it's where it will it will start again where you are facing the other end, but this place that I'm facing the screen must be zoomed. So you just bring your own to here, right? Then okay, let me just put it a little bit back, their own a little bit back. Then I'll now go back to canvas, come back to canvas, then zoom this my own, zoom it like this so that it will be full screen. So look at exactly to see what I just did. So this video is coming right this. Okay, hold on, I made a mistake. Before I did this thing, I was supposed to split, so I'm sorry. So I need to, in case if you make this particular mistake, you need to learn from this as well. So you need to, before you zoom in, you need to split. So I need to come right here that I faced up, then split, then come right here again that I ended it, then split again, right? So what I'm going to do is that I just go to canvas, then zoom this particular one that I showed my face, right? So that's it. So let me play it so that you get to see what I did. I'm looking at this video right here, then I reacted, then I show my face, you see, then I take it back again, you see it. So I'll be looking at it here. I now face the camera again. You see, when I face the camera, you can see right here I face the camera again. I face the camera again. All I just need to do is to come right here and split it again and look for where I stop facing the camera, which is here, right? Then I split it again, right? Then come back to PIP. When I come to PIP, I look at the position, then split it from that position and take it back to the other position. You can see the space I'm giving, so you just need to be looking at this so that you get to understand. So then I'll now go back again to canvas again. Then when I go back to canvas like this, then I'll now bring back my face and zoom it in again. You can see, let me play it again so that you get to understand this part again. So I'm looking at the video I'm reacting on, I'm looking at it, then I bring my face back again and say, can you imagine? You understand? Then I go back again. So my own might not be really perfect because of the way I position my chair, so but this is exactly how he does his thing. Very simple, just like this. So he edits multiple videos. For instance, I want to import another video. What I need to do is that I need to come to PIP. When I come to PIP, then I delete off this particular one, then delete it off, then come and click on this PIP right here to import another one, which is, for instance, let me import this one as the video I'm reacting on now. So this is the video I'm now reacting on, right? So for instance, this is the video I'm reacting on now. So I'll just need to, let me reduce the volume. So now this one will now come in, and this one coming right here. I'm just looking at it, and you see where I now turn again to camera to look at the camera. Then what I need to do is that I need to now split it right here, then shift it back, right? Then come down to my main original video, then split it, then come and split here again, right? Split it a little bit, then tap on it and come to canvas. When I come to canvas, I zoom it again, right? So look at it right here. You can see. So just like that, as you are looking at the video, you look at the camera, you zoom it. So that's it. For instance, this is the where the video ended. For instance, this is where the video ended. Then all you just need to do is to just do the same thing that I did on the other video, which is I come to this cross right here, then click on blank, right? I need to go to PIP to delete off this TikTok, then delete off this, then come and click on test, then write please share, So why I say that it's important that you get to watch this video from the part 1 is for you to understand that all these things are the things that you've already done. So if you didn't watch the part 1, you might not understand all this. So that's why it's important that you need to watch the part 1. So you just need to, after writing, please share. You can add up the other sound I added on the other videos, you know. So that's just it. If you want to add your handle, you just need to come to test just the same way we did on the other videos. Then come and write grow better, right, grow better, then reduce it the way you want it to be, right, then tap at the end, tap at the end and click on video end. You can see video end is now on the video end. So that's just it. This is how Batman edits his reaction videos. So another thing Batman does is that he puts that laughter effect, which I already taught you guys how to do, right? So but I will still do it and show you guys again in this video. So if you want to add laughter effect, you just need to come to music. When you come to music, then you click on music again, then come and click on this extract audio from video, you know. Then let me say, for instance, let's extract this one. You can see, then I'm extracting the audio from the video, and let me play it so that you get to see it how it sounds. So that's it, guys. This is how to import the laughter effect, right? So this is another way you can actually edit your reaction video without being afraid of being copyrighted, because you are adding a very big value to the video, right? So like I already said in the other video, that if you want to export, you just need to click on this icon up here, right? When you tap on this icon up here like this, tap on it and you see save. You can change the resolution just the way I explained in the other video, right? Then click on save, then your video will start saving. You can see. So that's it. So you can decide on the particular method that you would like to be using, right? But I assure you that if you're editing your video with this 3 method, you cannot be copyrighted by Facebook, and your money will still be your money 100%, because you are adding a huge amount of value to the video, right? So I would like to see you guys on the other side of the screen. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. Hope you learned something from this video. After watching this video and you want to learn more, maybe you want to understand how those tools are used in the video works, you know, I made a course on how to make money with other people's video, and this course will teach you how to edit reaction videos, and in that course it will explain all the tools I use in editing these videos, you know. The course is just 10,000 naira. If you want to get this course, chat me up with the WhatsApp number showing on the screen, and I will tell you what to do to get this course, you know. Thank you all for watching this video from beginning to here. I really appreciate you all, and if this is your first time in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe and hit the notification button so that anytime we post amazing video, you'll be among the first people to see the video. And don't forget to hit the like button and comment on this video. You can also share this video so that other people get to learn from it as well. So thank you guys for watching, and remain blessed.